How to transfer Toncoin from Bybit to Tonkeeper wallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer Toncoin from Bybit to Tonkeeper wallet. To do so, first of all, you need to open your Tonkeeper application on your mobile device, and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, here you will need to scroll down and select Toncoin. Once you tap on it, you will reach inside it. Here you will need to tap on this receive icon or the arrow facing downward. Once you tap on it, this will display a QR code and an alphanumeric address. Now you will need to tap on this copy option at the bottom to save the address. You will need it for the next step. After doing it, now open your Bybit application on your mobile device. After that, here also make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, here at the bottom right you will see assets icon. Tap on this assets icon, and once you tap on it, you will reach to this page. In this page, you will be able to see this withdraw option. Tap on this withdraw. Now after selecting this option, you will reach to this page. Here in the search bar, tap on it and search for Ton there. Once you find the Ton, tap on it to select it. After selecting it, now you will be taken to the withdrawal page. Here under this address section, paste the copied Tonkeeper address. Once you have entered it, now in the network, choose the appropriate network. If you have your tag, memo or any note, you can add it in this box. If not, this one is optional, so you can just skip it. Now you can enter the amount of Ton you would like to transfer. Tap on this amount box and here specify your amount. Make sure you have enough Ton in your wallet here. You may also tap on this max option at the right side if you want to use all your Ton coins here. Now after doing that, here you will need to review all the details carefully and then hit the withdraw button at the bottom right, then confirm the transaction. You may need to complete a two-factor authentication to finalize the process. And after confirming, you will need to wait for a few moments for the transaction to process. After that, Toncoin should appear in your Tonkeeper wallet thereafter. So by following these steps, you can successfully transfer your Toncoin from Bybit to Tonkeeper wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.